this next episode on electric ukulele playing. We're now at jam level, where we'll enjoy playing and develop technique and groove. If you're a beginner, you can also watch my earlier videos, which go into more detail. Here I'll just show you the isolated uke track.